Hey everybody, welcome to the Best Life Lived, I said that wrong, where we distill the wisdom of the ages down to very short segments so you can take it, distill, put it into your own life and apply it in your own life and hopefully get some great results. All of our videos are broken down into health, wealth, and happiness, happiness or relationships. Today we are focused on wealth, and the book is Silent Sales Machine, right here. By Jim Cockrum. This is a fantastic book. I would definitely recommend it. So yeah, let's get into it. So the overview for Silent Sales Machine, it's pretty quick. So the whole point is to teach you how to create silent or automated online businesses. And to do this, you go through the CES model, which is consult, expand, and sell. He goes through this pretty in depth, but it's a fantastic model. Sell is basically you're just selling on Amazon, eBay. Expand is building your audience, and it's incredibly important to be able to build your audience, and the book's worth it just for that. And consult is giving your services to people who need it. And then the last bit of the overview, just because it is reiterated so many times in the book, the point is to give service to a niche when you do an online business. Find your niche and just serve that niche as much as you can. Eventually the money will come. So, with the overview done, these are the 3 action takeaways. This is what I took. It depends on what level you are at in your online business. This is a little bit geared towards new beginners, but here it is. So the first takeaway is just start. He reiterates this many times in the book. There is no perfect time or place, and anybody can do it. People from all walks of life have already done it, and so if you are thinking about creating an online business, just start. The second one is, if you are new, do Amazon arbitrage. If you're unfamiliar with what arbitrage is, it's basically just finding an item that is being sold at a lower price, putting it on Amazon, selling it at a higher price. The best way to do this is to download the Amazon app, and then you can just walk into like Walmart or something, scan it, and it'll tell you what the price is. Check it on Amazon, it's going to be higher or lower, then buy it and sell it. The third is build an audience and email list. This is the biggest takeaway in my opinion, and the great advice that he put in the book is just to interview experts. You don't need to have all this content ready. Just interview people. Call them up, find them on Facebook, find them on LinkedIn, schedule an interview, and that can be your content that you're putting out. So that was it. The Silent Sales Machine, I definitely recommend you grab it. There's going to be a link below if you want to get it on Amazon. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. We will see you soon.